malaki. That's start.
I think first and foremost, I want to thank of course win tonight. I think we fought hard, no? We battled every quarter. So luckily, I think just a good time for me. Yung rhythm namin as a team, yun yung pinaka-important. And I think especially on defensive end. So malimit naman yung cards sila. Of course, Jumar, that's the main key. But overall, we got the W and lucky for me.
-3 pala, sorry. Bukod doon sa 35 mo, 35, 11 points, 11 rebounds, 11 assists ka. Mayroon ba yun na, yun nga, maingit ka sa offense and then ginagawa mo pa rin yung usual job mo on both ends?
I think credit din sa mga teammates ko. I think overall we lift up each other, we help each other. We stay together through ups and downs. And mahirap of course, no, especially regarding key players nila.
You can keep asking this guy the same question, and he'll keep deflecting it to other people. He won't take any credit at all. This has been his thing throughout his whole career. So let me just say, it was a legendary performance. I think we're going to remember this one for a long time. And Scotty is the most humble guy you'll ever meet, maybe outside of Jumar. Maybe Jumar may be a little more humble than you. I don't know. So it's a competition. And we see that on the Gilas team, but it's no doubt it's a legendary performance. And I think he came out. He was more aggressive tonight than he was looking for things. And I think the more he became a threat, the more he was able to open up lanes for him to make passes as well. And so, I mean, but like Scotty said earlier in the interview outside, every game is different. So right now it's just 2-2. It's a best of 3 at this point. We can see what happens in Game 5.
After tonight, 35 points, parang you think ito yung kailangan mong gawin in the next games for you guys to have a chance?
No, Coach Sim said, every game is different. No? Hopefully, no, the same approach, but mas maganda, mas magitan pa. But it's hard to be the same game every time. So every game is different, but yung intensity, yung approach namin every game should be more better.